Can you name these common summer birds of Crater Lake National Park in Oregon? Tell me in the comments how many you get right. Did you get it right? Pause the video if you need more time. Ready for the next one? After we identify a few more, I'll show you the habitat where these birds are found. We're at the halfway point of our quiz. The high elevation habitat at Crater Lake is the montane spruce fir forest. Engelmann spruce and subalpine fir endure cold and snow with very short summers. This habitat can be found in mountains from western Canada to New Mexico. Now let's get back to it. Click on this playlist to watch more bird ID quizzes.